Hello YouTuber, this is a video response for Alec or ABD. Want to know about the carburetor work, how I done the work. Well, we'll get into an idea. There you go. Alright, put the brake on the front of that. You see I took the choke out, and where the hole is, where your diaphragm goes, I got a little styrofoam in there, not a styrofoam, but the foam pad I can use as a air filter. I've stuffed that in there to keep the dirt out of it. You see I use one of the plate shroud that goes under here. It's on here, and I've used one screw to hold that carburetor in place. And another one right here to support the back part so it wouldn't shake too much. It works perfectly well. As you can see, where I got the gas lined up to here. That's what holds it in place. I still use the throttle control to run the engine up slow or fast without any trouble.